The Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic and enduring symbols of Chinese civilization. Recognized for its historical significance, architectural grandeur, and cultural importance. Here is a detailed overview. Historical background. Early walls and origins. 7th–4th century BC. The origins of the Great Wall can be traced back to earlier fortifications built by various states during the Warring States period. These were constructed to defend against nomadic invasions and rival states. Qin Dynasty 221–206 BC. The first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, ordered the connection and expansion of existing walls to create a unified defense system. This period marks the beginning of the Great Wall as a singular entity. Subsequent dynasties. Han Dynasty 206 BC to 220 CE. The Han Dynasty extended the wall to protect the Silk Road trade routes. This expansion significantly increased the length of the wall. Sui and Tang Dynasties 5819–07 CE. These periods saw limited construction, with more focus on reinforcing existing sections. Ming Dynasty 1368–1644. The most significant construction phase occurred during the Ming Dynasty. The wall was rebuilt and expanded with stronger materials like bricks and stones, and many of the sections visible today were constructed during this time. Construction and architecture. Materials and techniques. Early walls, made from compacted earth, wood, and local materials. Ming Dynasty walls, constructed using bricks, stones, and tamped earth. The walls were built thicker and higher, with better fortifications and watchtowers. Structure and features. Length. The Great Wall stretches over approximately 21,196 kilometers 13,171 miles, though not in a continuous line. Height and width. The wall's height varies but typically ranges from 5 to 8 meters 16 to 26 feet. And the width is about 4.5 to 9 meters 15 to 30 feet at the base. Watchtowers and fortresses, placed at regular intervals, these provided beacon towers, used to send smoke signals by day and fire signals by night to relay messages quickly along the wall. Housing for troops, storage for supplies, and lookout points for surveillance. Strategic importance. Military defense. The wall served as a formidable barrier against invasions, primarily from nomadic tribes like the Mongols and the Xiongnu. It enabled the efficient movement of troops and resources across vast distances. Control of trade. The wall played a crucial role in protecting trade routes, particularly the Silk Road, facilitating safe passage for merchants and goods. Cultural significance. Symbol of unity and strength. The Great Wall is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Chinese people. It symbolizes the unity and strength of the nation, showcasing China's ability to mobilize vast resources and labor for a common purpose. UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1987, the Great Wall was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its historical and cultural importance. 4040. The construction of the Great Wall of China, initiated by Emperor Qin Shi Huang and continued by subsequent dynasties, was a massive undertaking that involved the labor of hundreds of thousands of people. This monumental project required extensive planning, coordination, and sheer human effort. Qin Shi Huang's vision. The first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, envisioned a unified wall to protect his empire from northern invaders. He issued an imperial edict to connect and extend existing walls built by various states during the Warring States period. Hundreds of thousands of laborers were conscripted to work on the wall. These included soldiers, peasants, prisoners, and even scholars who had fallen out of favor with the emperor. Many workers were forcibly recruited through corps of labor, a system where citizens were required to provide labor as a form of tax. In the early stages, the wall was primarily built using rammed earth, a technique where soil was compacted between wooden forms to create solid walls. Stones, wood, and other locally available materials were used in different regions, adapting the construction methods to the local environment. During the Ming Dynasty, advancements in construction techniques led to the use of bricks and stones, making the wall more durable and formidable. Skilled artisans and engineers designed watchtowers, fortresses, and beacon towers, enhancing the wall's defensive capabilities. Workers had to build the wall through mountains, deserts, and plains, often in harsh and inhospitable conditions. Laborers worked long hours, facing extreme weather, from scorching heat in the summer to freezing cold in the winter. Temporary camps. Workers lived in temporary camps near the construction sites. These camps were often overcrowded and lacked basic amenities. The harsh working conditions, coupled with inadequate nutrition and medical care, led to high mortality rates. It is estimated that many thousands of laborers died during the construction of the wall. Supplying food, tools, and materials to such a vast and dispersed workforce required meticulous organization. Provisions were transported from various regions of the empire to sustain the workers. Moving heavy materials like stones and bricks to the construction sites was a logistical challenge. Workers used human chains, animals, and rudimentary machinery to transport these materials. The construction was overseen by military officers who ensured discipline and productivity among the laborers. Skilled masons, carpenters, and engineers were crucial in constructing and building complex structures like watchtowers and fortifications. Resource allocation. The massive allocation of resources and labor for the wall's construction put a significant strain on the economy and the populace, diverting manpower and materials from agricultural and other productive activities. The conscription of large numbers of people disrupted families and communities, leading to social upheaval. Modern impact. Tourism. The Great Wall is one of China's most popular tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors each year. Key sections like Beideling, Mutianyu, and Jinshanling are well preserved and accessible to tourists. Conservation efforts. Significant efforts are underway to preserve and restore the wall, addressing challenges such as natural erosion, human damage, and lack of maintenance in remote areas. Interesting facts. Myth of visibility from space. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall is not easily visible from space with the naked eye. Labor force. It is estimated that hundreds of thousands of laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, contributed to the wall's construction. Length variations. The total length of all the walls ever built by various Chinese dynasties would exceed 21,196 kilometers 13,171 miles. But the main wall built during the Ming Dynasty is approximately 8,850 kilometers 5,499 miles. The Great Wall of China stands as a monumental achievement in human history, embodying the perseverance, ingenuity, and resilience of the Chinese civilization. 4.0